Hey everybody, Jay here with Rogers Motor Cars. We have got a 2019 Cadillac Escalade ESV luxury here. This one has 33,800 miles. Got this locally here from a friend. And really low miles, it was an extra vehicle. Very, very nice, good set of tires, 2 keys, clean Carfax, it's black on black. He smoked the tail lights, wrapped the door handles black to kind of give it that all black look. See, these tail lights are a little smoked. Very nice rig. Usually these are beat up. All of these suburban sized vehicles, when they get to be 5-6 years old, they are pretty roughed up, you know, soccer practice, door dings, everything else. And this one is in very nice condition with low miles. The price point is just right. Take a look inside here. The wheels are all good, no curb rash. Black interior. This is a 4x4. You see here we've got 33,834 miles. Heated, cooled seats. All the wood trim looks great. This driver's seat. Very little wear. Of course, we've got the dual DVDs, sunroof, got buckets back here in the back, all-weather mats. Same for the rear cargo area. It's got an all-weather mat. Got a bunch of headphones, some of them still in the plastic. Got the remotes. This one is complete. Really nice. Be a good fit for a family out there. You don't have to spend 100 grand. You're getting 33,000 miles, 34,000 miles. So give me a call. We can ship this to you if you're out of state or out of town. We can put it on a open trailer, send it anywhere in the country. If you have financing, that's great. We can work with any bank that will work with us. And if you need financing, I do have an option for you, some options. So reach out. You can follow us on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. We have a Facebook page, Rogers Motor Cars. Like this video, please. Subscribe. It helps the algos. This one is just a beautiful rig. Here we go. Nice clean wheels. Tires have a lot of tread on them. So yeah, hope to hear from somebody on this one soon. Give us a call, make sure we still have it. I always pick up my phone. If I don't, I'm on the other line. I'll get right back to you. So thanks for watching.